Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video. And for today's video, we're going to do another unboxing! Yay! Another unboxing for you guys. This is part of our series, the unboxing videos for my Black Friday haul, Cyber Monday haul, Thanksgiving haul, every haul. Yes, this will be a part of the items that I got during Black Friday sale and Cyber Monday sale. And I bought a lot, honestly, a lot. Yeah. So for today's video, it's going to be a big box. Yeah, it's a big box. As you can see, there you go. It doesn't really fit the screen, but then yes, that's our big box for today. That's from Tory Burch. If you want to see what items I got from Tory Burch, please keep on watching. But before we start, welcome, I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing, and for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. Now let's proceed to our unboxing video. Big box. I have a table in front of me, and let's put this one here. So Tory Burch, I don't normally buy when it's not on sale, usually, or extra percentage off, because you know Tory Burch prices are a little pricier compared to the other contemporary brands like Michael Kors, Kate Spade. I think it's more pricier than Coach. During like Thanksgiving and Black Friday, they usually have good sale. I usually buy them during those seasons. For this Thanksgiving sale, they have extra 30% off event on their items. Some of them were on sale plus 30% off, and some of them are regular price item but still qualified for the 30% off. I think this is, you can get that discount if you spend $200 or more. Like previous sales will say like 20% off for a certain amount, but for this season they lower their margin. Anything you spend more than $200, you get 30% off. So I purchased quite a few. So this is one of the few items I got from Tory Burch. So there's two more boxes from Tory Burch. So look at that. It's a big box with a lot of air paper, which is nice. Tory Burch always package their bags really nicely. Like, I cannot complain with Tory Burch packaging. But now I've noticed that they haven't been doing the orange packaging anymore. It's been the white paper with their sticker and a thank you card. And I think I asked them to wrap this as a gift. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Let's put this on my lap so I have more space to show you. We got two items in here. This is nice. Surprise! And this is the other one. This looks like the Tory Sports color. So let's put it there. Wow, what a big box. I think I did ask them to put it. I put a card. Let's see. Look at that. I think I did. But look how the message was written. Then it's on the top. You could have put it on the middle like a big happy birthday, but it's not. But anyway, it's for me, so it's okay. I got my receipt in here. Let's take a peek at the receipt. So we got two bags. I asked them to wrap it like as a gift. This one looks nice. Look at the packaging. This is the first time I've seen this kind of packaging. And this one is more like a Tory Sports packaging. So let's open one first. Wow, yeah, this is Tory Sport, right? I'm right. It says Tory Sport. So let's open this one first. Ooh. So that's what inside. Let's see. It doesn't look like brand new from the factory, but we'll see. We'll see. It has a big dust bag. I like their dust bags. Look at that. Here it is. This is the first item we got from Tory Burch. Wow. Oh, it looks yellowish on the camera. It looks like white creamish color, but in person it's more yellow compared to what you're seeing on what I'm seeing on the viewfinder. So yes, I think this is not on sale, but it is part of the event, because some of the Ella totes are not part of the event. So this is the Ella printed tote, Lyonnaise Floral. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. This is the regular size, the bigger one. Yep, this is the tote. This is feels like fabric. I don't know the material for this one. Feels like fabric, but I'm not sure. But yes, this is the first bag. Look at that. It's nice. The other one I like, put a picture here, but it was not part of the event. So I cannot get 30% off of that item, so I purchased this one. So yes, this is the back, and it has a side here, has a snap closure, and I like the color. This is, I think this is green. Yeah, I think this is green with the Tory Burch logo. This is the bottom. I ordered a smaller one for this. I'm not removing the packaging on this handle because I'm not sure, because I ordered a smaller one. I didn't know it was on sale. I mean, I didn't know that it was part of the sale event, the smaller size, so I ordered this big one, but then I found out later on, so I ordered that one. So we'll see which one I like better, and one will be returned. So open it. Let's see what's inside. It's just a big bag with slip pocket and a zipper pocket with Tory Burch. This is our first item, Ella Tote. That's it for our first bag. I'll put this one down, and now I'm excited for the second item. Yep, I'm excited for this one. I like the packaging. It feels heavy. It does feel heavy. And let's open it. There's a Velcro. There you go. Oh, it's small. I wasn't expecting that small. I'm expecting a little bigger than that. But let's take a look. It comes with a huge dust bag. Wow. Oh. Here it is. Here is the item. It's not really like brand new from the factory, because the only packaging it comes with is the paper that probably they just wrap it again and tape it. But interesting. Same as what you can see on the website. Looks nice though. This is the Radziwill. How do you pronounce it? The Radziwill canvas raincoat in the size small, in the color neutral brilliant red. I was expecting a little bigger than this one. I did watch some videos, kind of like the Radziwill one, but it's pricey. If it's not on sale, it is pricey. So let's take a look at this bag. This is the first time I have this kind of design from Tory Burch. Ooh. So it comes with a key. It has a Tory, like a T logo there. Let's try it. Does it open like that? How do you open this one? Oh, so when you press it, it opens. Okay. So you have to press it to detach this, and it will look like so. And let's open this one. Interesting design. I don't know how to open it. do you open this bag? There you go. Oh, that's how you open it. It looks nice. So that's what it looks like inside. This one has a long shoulder strap. The long shoulder strap feels stiff. Yeah, the shoulder strap feels stiff. Wow, this is so nice, but I don't know if I will use this one. Let's do a 360 look on this bag. I know the light is giving a glare on the bag. So this is the side, the back, the other side, and the bottom. I saw on the picture that you can remove this plastic one. I ordered this because of the, what do you call that? The plastic that came with it. It's like a raincoat. So it protects the bag. And I live in Pacific Northwest. And you know, it rains here for like 70% of the year. Ooh, you can remove it. And the bag will look like that. It's like the Hermes Kelly, this part, yeah. But this is weaving. Yeah, this not a leather material. And the bottom looks like that without the plastic. So this bag was on sale at their website, and I was able to use the 30% off. But still, it's like around $400 for this one. So I'm really curious about this bag and how this one looks like in real. That's why I ordered this bag. But I like the color, I like the style, but I'm not 100% sure if I really like it to keep it. You know what I mean? But yeah, this looks so nice. Probably a leather would be better, or a bigger one would be better. Has a top handle. I'm torn. The color is so nice, and plus when you put it here, it looks nice as well. Look at that. And if we put the shoulder strap, okay, how do you put the shoulder strap? Oh, so to put the shoulder strap, look at that. You have, there's no way to push it or pull it out, so you have to twist it like so. I don't know if you can see it. You have to twist it to open, so you can put it on the bag. That's a little work. There you go. Oh, it's short. I'm expecting it to be longer shoulder strap. So let's do a try on this bag. Let's do the Ella Tote first. So this is the big Ella Tote. I put some air paper in there so that you can have an idea how it looks like when you have items inside. So it is big, huh? But I like it. The shoulder strap is comfortable and long enough, not like all the way up to my armpit. I like that. The older Ella Tote, which is like hard on the strap, can be uncomfortable on your shoulder, but this one, it feels comfortable. Look at that. I like it. I like the size, but we'll see if I will keep this or another, a smaller one. So yeah, that's our Ella Tote bag. Now let's try on this Radziwill one, the small one. I was expecting this one will be longer, that can be worn as a crossbody, but unfortunately it's not. So let's look at this bag as a top handle. Got the hook of your arm. It's cute. And as a shoulder bag. This one doesn't like drop all the way, so it will look like that sticking out. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this one or not. It's cute, but functionality, probably not. This one, we'll see. We'll wait for the smaller Ella Tote and we can compare which one I will keep or not, because I already have a bigger one, so I want to see the smaller version of this. So yes, that's it for our video for today, my Tory Burch haul, and I have more to come for Tory Burch items. Yeah, during this season I purchased a lot on Tory Burch items. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!